We don't specialize in any one thing. What we want to be able to do is a one-stop shop. We do it all for you. We can make little parts like this, or we can turnkey entire assemblies such as this over here. Our goal is to satisfy you and to give you the most bang for your buck and take as much pain out of the transaction as possible. Hello, I'm Jim Gaffney. I'm with Herold Precision Metals. We are a leader in the precision sheet metal and assembly fabrication market. We have turret presses, lasers, hardware machines, welding, grinding, assembly, press braking. We do everything that there is in sheet metal fabrication. 25% of our business is prototyping. We consider a prototype 25 pieces or less. There's no difference in fabrication between a prototype and production. It's the same. The only difference is a number. We've been in business since 1982. We started out as a little greenfield shop and we've expanded into 110,000 feet over 22 years. Things have gone well. We are located in a suburb of St. Paul, Minnesota, Minneapolis, Minnesota, White Bear Lake. Very nice community. We have approximately right now 110 to 120 employees. This is just a basic part that we have, but as you can see, it's kind of pretty. It's made out of pre-plated metal with a nice paint on it, a silk screen. It just shows a little bit of capability. It's got spot welding in here, hardware. This is pretty much what we do, this kind of stuff here. We take and make little complicated parts like this. It looks pretty simple, but when you actually take the time to look at it, it's quite complicated. It has 16 press brake hits, lots of hardware, and very tight tolerances for the medical industry. Here is a part that we have that is made out of aluminum, 5052H32 aluminum. The original plan on this was to make it out of plastic. They couldn't afford tooling. We came up with a solution to make it soft tool. Very tight tolerances, plus or minus 5. Has a beautiful paint job, silk screening, and a seam welded and ground on the inside for clearance. Again, just one of our capabilities. Another thing that we specialize in, electrical mechanical assembly. Here you have a pretty basic piece of sheet metal, but when it's all done, we have value add. Originally, when we got this job, all we did was made the sheet metal. I proposed the option, hey, can I help you out here? They said yes. This is how we ship it now to our end user. They source the electrical components, we'll high pot test it, assemble it, and send it out to them. Here's another interesting part and program that HPM worked out. This is a medical cart that nurses use in hospitals. They put their laptops in, visit their people. This is fully adjustable, goes up and down. When we initially got this job, it was 135 purchase orders. We got a purchase order for every component, and then we shipped every component into the end user. They assembled it on site and shipped them out. We found out that the transactional cost, the assembly was just crazy. I proposed to them to change their bill of materials, give us a purchase order for one part number, and that's this part number now. The company that we work for now had a 15,000 square foot facility. They shut it down. It's now an employee center that they do training in there. They put in a treadmill in there, and we do everything. We turnkey it and ship it to their customer. We do DFM. We specialize in DFM. It's our forte. We have 7 engineers. We have people like me that live and breathe DFM. Our goal is to give you the product as fast as we can and as low cost and as efficient as we can.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.